Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a meal with chicken. I'm going to wash the chicken. So we're gonna start washing the vegetables that we're going to use. It's done washing, so let's take it over. We're gonna start cutting the vegetables one at a time. So we're gonna start with the green onions. Alright, so we're done chopping the green onions. We're gonna start with the orange or yellow bell pepper. We're gonna take the seeds out and then we're gonna start slicing. Okay, now I'm gonna finish chopping the yellow bell pepper. Okay, let's cut the onions. So, but it's okay. It's still gonna come out right. It's ready to start. Our chicken is not drained. These are the vegetables that we're going to use. This one is the yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow onions. This is garlic, and this is a little bit of serrano pepper, my leftover pepper, and this is going to be the tortilla that we're going to use. We're going to go ahead and add the oil that we're going to use to stir fry. For today I'm using the avocado oil. So we're going to let the oil warm up and then we can start stir frying the chicken. Alright, let's start frying. So first I'm going to add the garlic. The reason is the garlic to soak into the oil gives it that aroma and taste. And right here I still have a little more of the garlic that I have right here. There you go. So it gives it that aroma. I'll go ahead and add a little salt to it. Now the room is like scented. Just go ahead and add the chicken. This is the chicken that I already seasoned this chicken partially, and so we're going to so we're gonna let the chicken cook before we start adding the vegetables. And keep stirring the chicken to make sure all sides or parts of the chicken is cooked evenly. So we're gonna get our tortilla ready. As our tortilla is getting ready, we're gonna line it with cheese. The pan was prepped with a little bit of oil. So we're prepping our tortilla so that when the food is ready we can start. Our chicken is tender and brown. Now we're gonna start adding all this. We're gonna put this on one side and we're just gonna start stir frying this on one side of the pot. So we're gonna add the onions and the orange bell pepper, and then we'll add the green onions at last. We're gonna start seasoning our veggies. We're gonna use the nor as well, and we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of basil as well. This is basil. A little more of my ginger. This This is my own seasoning mix. Alright, so we're gonna mix it together. And now we can start mixing the chicken and the veggies together. We're gonna let it cook a little bit more. The veggies are all tender, so let's add the last ingredients, and that's the green onions. Let's mix it together. We're gonna add the pepper. If you don't like spicy, you omit the pepper. It's still gonna come out the same way. You see how this is just right? Is not, there's no water in it. All right, so now this is done. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna start by scooping our stuff in here. All right. I'm gonna start rolling it. Actually, we're gonna have to add a little more of cheese. That's gonna help. More cheese. We love cheese. All right. Now it's time to cut. Look at how cheesy it is. Whew. Okay, let's put it in here and let's put it this way so you can see. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at how cheesy it is. How cheesy this is. Can you imagine? Look at, let's open it up. Look at how cheesy that is. Yes, cheesy. All right, so that's it for my chicken cheesy wrap. Enjoy it. See it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Like and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.